Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of black screen or white screen in your Instagram application. So there's a bug in the Instagram app here that appears the black screen or the white screen problem here. So this bug is in the previous update here, so you need to update in the latest version of your Instagram here. So Instagram just released a new update in Play Store here, and as you can see, if you search for Instagram in the Play Store here, there's an update option here, and if you scroll down and go to this about this app here, and if you go down and here you will find this the updated on 18 July 2022, which is only tomorrow here because I'm making the video on 19 July here. So this is the new update version here. So if you update this Instagram here, hope this will be fix your problem of white skin or the black skin option here. So if also this doesn't help you, because if you update your Instagram and also the black screen, so if you update your Instagram and also the black screen and white screen is appeared in your Instagram here, so what you need to do is just for the final solution here, go to any browser here and search for Instagram old version here, and here you will find a website here which is Instagram uptodown.com here, uptodown.com. So just tap on the older version of Instagram, and here you need to go down and install a older version of Instagram here. So for just install the May 24 2020 version here, just click on that and download the APK here and install the old version of here, because the old version in Instagram application, this doesn't have the problem of black skin or white skin problem. So this will solve your problem here, or you can just update to the latest version of the Instagram. Check out also that can also help you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.